If you love how sleek and thin modern laptops are, you probably don't love the major downside: zero ports. You go to plug in a hard drive or upload content from an SD card and you're just stuck. This is a very exact reason why the 7-in-1 Type C is an absolute lifesaver. It takes one single USB-C port on your computer and completely transforms your workspace. The real value here is all about productivity and convenience. Instead of carrying around four different adapters or buying all new cables, this one little device does everything. It keeps your desk clutter free, slips right into your laptop bag, and basically gives your computer superpower capabilities that it didn't have right out of the box. And using it couldn't be simpler. It's completely plug and play. No software, no setup. You just have to plug this main Type-C cable right into your laptop and you start connecting. On the side, you've got high-speed USB 3.0 ports for your mouse, keyboard, or external hard drives. And if you're a content creator or photographer, you will love the built-in SD and micro SD slots for super fast file transfers. There's also an HDMI port hidden on there, which lets you link your laptop to a massive external monitor or TV for dual screen productivity. So the best of all is that it supports 100 watts power delivery. That means you can plug your actual laptop charger into the hub so your computer stays fully charged while you use all these ports. Whether you're trying to build a cozy, high-functioning home office setup or just need to edit photos on the go, this hub bridges the gap between your laptop and all your essential gear.